Hey, today I got myself a wonderful wireless lav mic. It's made by COMICA, and this is their newest lavalier, wireless lavalier mic with a 32-bit float recording, and it has touchscreen. Let's go ahead and open this package, see what comes with it. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. All right. Feels a little heavy. I like it. That's a good sign. Comes with a soft carrying case. There we go. Almost like my Osmo Pocket 3 bag, except a smaller scale. It has this nice little orange touch, says COMICA on it, which is COMICA's brand coloring. And inside, we get a nice little pouch, some TRS cords. Let's go ahead and open these. Whew, they sealed it like they don't want these to run away from the case. Yeah, there's a camera connector, cable, and oh my god, these are really good cables. A type C to type A smartphone computer connection cable. I guess this works for charging as well. I like this case. What else I get? All these little nifty stuff. Some dead cat, very nice. Similar to DJI's mic. It's a little stabilizer at the bottom, you know, and a second dead cat. And here's the charging hard case. Nothing else in the bag. Oh, other than some magnets. Oh, very cool. Check out these magnets. Huh. Magnetic plate position. Very cool. I like it. And they put it on some sort of a leather-like surface, so it's really easy to store and remove. There's a nice hard case, COMICA hard case. There are LED lights in the front, 4 lights appears to be. I guess that's the charging status indicators. And here's the Type-C charger in the back with a little LED on top. And here are the mics. As soon as you open these LEDs, lights comes on to let you know what's the charging status of the devices. Let's start with the microphone. There are 2 microphones comes with it. They have some sort of a rubbery, textury part on top. They feel fairly, you know, not too heavy, but they feel really good on hand. And this is how the dead cat goes on top of it. They're slightly smaller than DJI's Mic 2, and very nice. There's a power button on it, a connection button on it, and there's a record button on it, so you can start the recording independently from here. And of course the second microphone, very similar. And here's the transmitter. It has a touch screen on top and connection points at the bottom where it simply connects to the case for charging. Let's go ahead and move these. Yep, they're little connectors, 4 connectors, and you put it in like so and start charging. And when you put it in, as you see, there's like a little indicator, shows the charging status and how many hours of charge on it. This one says 7 hours, which is, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sure you can see like this. 7 hours charging on it. And very cool. It shows you the charge status of both microphones on top as well. I'm going to go ahead and remove the little connector protection tape on it. These feels like they're very well made. You can also charge all of these with a Type-C cord if you don't have this handy. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one in. Microphones basically sit on both sides, and the transmitter sits in the middle. And let's go ahead and remove this too. Different from this, this has one array of 4 charging connectors. This one has 4 2-2 setup. And let's go ahead and put this in like this. There are indicators on it, tells you how loud you're talking. Battery indicators, both of them shows 8 hours on them. And connection indicators, very nice. There are also 2 ports at the bottom, one for headphones for monitoring, and one for the output, I guess, to go into the devices that you connect with. Very cool. All right, well, you guys, this is the COMICA BooMax lavalier, wireless lavalier 32-bit float recording newest microphones. And if you're interested in this product, I'm going to go ahead and have the links in the video description. I'm going to go ahead and learn this a little bit more, and I may do another video or I may not, but so far I'm very impressed with the packaging, the build quality, from what I can see. So if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to drop a line, and if you like this content, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next Teo's Take video.